Sharjah has been a high-scoring game, so we had to come back stronger. We spoke to the batters that a bit more intensity in the power play, and we got that right from Shikhar and Shaw. Shaw played a fantastic knock. We have seen Shaw how he can be in the power play very dangerous. So, but we had the intent. We spoke about intent right up there from the first ball, and we saw from the batters today. Oh, no target. There was no target. We had to go hard in the power play and get the momentum from our to our side. And that's why Shaw and Shikhar started, and then Shirash Iyer finished played a brilliant knock. So overall, it was a team performance. I thought whatever he spoke about in the meeting from the batters, they had the intention to go out there and play their shot. That's what probably we missed out in the last game, where we were a bit tentative chasing against SRH. So this game was, we had to go hard and score big runs. Oh, I think Amit Mishra got injured. I think he would have played a major role. He was a bit different compared to other bowlers, a bit slower in the air, and has been playing in the IPL for last many years. Probably Shubman Gill wicket was very important because he is someone who likes to play till the end. Probably his wicket was very crucial. And then of course Rabada, probably had a bad day. Overall, it was a complete game, but the way Mishra bowled to Gill, it was great to see. And about Morgan and Tripathi was a surprise because he's not been playing a lot in this tournament. He got a chance and he was, he looked very good. And it was touch and go. It was very tight in the end because one bad over here and there could have gone either side. But that's how probably Sharjah, offers you. When you come to Sharjah, you expect high-scoring game, and at the end of the day, we had a good game. Other grounds probably bigger boundaries. All the slower bowlers are in the game. You see, lots of teams are trying to bring their slower bowlers after 6 over and give lesser pace, and it's been working for them. But here, probably all your cutters and slower ball doesn't really stop that much. You can play through the line. So, and of course, small boundary helping the batsman and high-scoring game. But I must say, the way Harshal also bowled, he bowled lots of cutters, but he was trying to bowl into the wicket, and that's why probably he was a bit more successful compared to other finger bowler. Oh, definitely yes. It's early in the tournament, but this win was very important. You don't want back-to-back loss. So you always want to keep coming back. I know it's a hard tournament to win. You're going to lose few matches, but the main thing is keep coming back and keep winning the next one. That's all probably matters, and we did that today. Marcus was, he's been bowling well in this tournament. Whenever he had the ball in his hand, he looked comfortable. He's bowling about 135, 140 k's per hour. Probably we haven't seen Marcus doing that for last many years. So he was go-to man. We knew he had to bowl 2-3 overs in this game. Harshal probably bowled few overs, but the way Harshal was bowling today, he got the skill set right on this track. Lots of cutters, slowers work for him. But like Astonis, he looked good in the nets in last couple of matches. So we had no doubts that he will come out good. Of course, we had a very tough over before that, but when he bowled the last over, he was spot on, especially Yorker to Tripathi. He was right up there bowling that Yorker to Tripathi.